Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we are going to be learning how to cancel your first direct credit card. So without further ado, let's get started with the video. First of all, open a web browser and then go to the URL box and type in firstdirect.com and search. There are two different ways you can cancel your first direct credit card. So the first method is by logging into your online banking account. From the main homepage of First Direct, go to the upper right corner and click on Online Banking button. This will open up a new tab where you will need to enter your username associated with your online banking account. Click on Continue once done, and on the next page, enter your password for your online banking account and log into your account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Credit Cards option and click on Manage Card or something similar. Now look for an option that says Cancel Card and click on it and follow through the on-screen prompts. Another method you can use in order to cancel your credit card for First Direct is by contacting the customer support. Go ahead and click on the Contact Us button from the main homepage of First Direct, which should be located at the top right in front of the online banking button. Once you give it a click, it will then take you to a new page where you'll need to scroll all the way down and you will be able to see a phone number on the page. Simply go ahead and call that customer service hotline and mention that you'd like to cancel your First Direct credit card. This line is available 24/7, so you can make a phone call whenever convenient for you. Now the customer service representative will direct you through your card cancellation, but be sure to pay off your entire credit card balance before your account can be closed, and make sure you follow through all the instructions. And that's how you will be able to cancel your first direct credit card. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.